Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Dropi versus Zendrop honest review. So if I'm going to make this very short and quick, Dropi mostly focuses on the Latin America side or the America side mostly. So basically their products or products that are, let's say, trending for these regions will be the most popular. So if you're going to really niche down and really focus on these areas only, then Dropi might be the better option for you. Whereas Zendrop, it has better reviews, even on Trustpilot and like Shopify, both of them support it, and Zendrop has the higher uh, edge on this because they do have a global you know support. It's not focused only on America like Drop is. So if you're looking for a wider audience or broader launch, then Zendrop might be the way to go. But what I tell you is also looking at the pricing of each of these things, because the pricing matters as well, and then really go through the, as you can see, what are the features that both of them provide, and if there is any feature that you need or you think like the other website prefers the most, then that might be the better option. But main difference between them would be the location, and rest of the things are pretty much the same. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.